Alrighty guys, let's go over how to turn the volume down on your Roku TV without the remote. Just a quick guess here. Maybe, do you have your remote or do you not have your remote? If you do have your remote, one, change the batteries. If it's just not working. Two, take a wet wipe and wipe down the buttons. And it might be sticking a little bit. That might be why it's not working. So let's get into how to turn the volume down without the remote. Now I do have multiple Roku TVs in the house, so I can always just grab another remote from another area or another room, of which every remote will work for every TV, even different manufacturers. All my remotes work for every TV. So a few times I've misplaced my remote, I've just walked into the other room and grabbed another remote and then used it. Plus I have a couple extra backups. Another one thing you can do is you can go buy another remote. I don't know how much they cost. We'll put a link for those down below in the description if you want to, maybe just go that route. I did check the back of all of my TVs. A couple different models, but they're all Roku. And none of mine have the buttons on the TV. I've seen pictures where some do. And some of these pictures that I've seen, they're very well hidden. So check the back of your TV, the side of your TV. Some of them have it up underneath the TV to see if there's any buttons for the volume or power. Although none of mine had those buttons. So that's not going to help everybody. Okay, another option you have is you can go to the Google Play Store or the App Store for iOS and download the Roku TV app. Whatever. The Roku app, okay? Set it up. It's just download it, install it, and then hit continue. And then you hit next. You can probably hit skip there, right? Yeah, we'll just hit skip. We'll just... Cool, right? Let's continue as guest, right? Yeah, let's continue as a guest. Which takes you to watch TV. Well, that doesn't help. Okay, and then you click down here. And you hit remote. It says you must connect it to a device. Okay, so we go to devices. No network connection. Please check your wireless network. Why do I not have a network connection? Okay, I have to reboot my router. I will be right back. Okay, now that my connection issue has been resolved, we're going to hit remote, right? And it's going to say, oh, you're not connected to a device. So we're going to go click devices, which it's already up behind the screen anyway. You're going to select which TV you want to control. I've only got two on, so only two showing up. And I want to control the bigger one. Okay? Alright, so then I go back to remote. Oh, look at that! I got the remote. Oh, there is a volume control button right here. Turn the volume up. Turn the volume down. Turn the volume up. Turn the volume down. And it's actually working on the TV. I'm watching it over there. You can also mute from here. And you can mute headset. So that is an option for how to turn the volume up and down without the remote. You can also change channels and everything else, just like you would the normal remote. It is the normal remote, except the volume buttons are here, and I'm not used to that. All right, so that's that part. Another thing you can do is you can get a consumer electronic control device, like a sound bar, connect it to the TV, and then use that device's remote to adjust the volume, because that device's volume will actually control the volume, not of the TV, but of the device itself. We'll put a link down below in the description for a cheap soundbar that, it's inexpensive, and it can resolve the issue. Anyway, I hope this helps you out in adjusting the volume on your Roku TV or Roku TV without a remote. The simplest solution is go buy another remote. That is the cheapest and the simplest solution. If you found this video useful or helpful, please be sure to give it a like. It really helps the channel out. Comment. Let me know if it helped or not. I mean, I gave you several options, so I mean, you can't just say, well, I wiped mine down and it didn't work. Yeah, okay, there's more options. Go buy another remote. That's the easiest one, cheapest one. Subscribe to the channel. Anything helps the channel out like that, right? Have a wonderful day. Bye.